Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a comparison video between the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch and the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch in the 19 size. So this cosmetic pouch is the PM size. I did purchase the GM size, but it didn't fit nearly as much as I expected, so I went ahead and returned it. And then this one, like I said, is the 19 size, which is the in-between size of the three toiletries. There is the 15, which is smaller than this, and then there's the 26 that is substantially larger. Okay, so here's what they look like side by side from the front. As you can see, the Toiletry 19 is going to be substantially taller, and because it does have a rectangular shape, there's going to be more space on the corners up top. And then here it is from the side. You guys know how I feel about this long zipper flap. I have made fun of this in previous videos, but I'm starting to just ignore it, get used to it. But let me move that out of the way so you can see from the side. They both have a triangular shape from the side, so they kind of taper out and they're wider at the base. But you can see there's more tapering happening in the cosmetic pouch. It has this very sort of feminine silhouette with the curvature. And then you've got the beautiful VACHETTA diamond tabs here, as well as a tab here. So my Toiletry 19 is made in Spain. The toiletries are the only pieces that I have from Louis Vuitton that are from Spain, and I have been very pleased with the quality and the craftsmanship, in case you were curious. And then this one here is made in France. Okay, so at the moment I have my cosmetic pouch packed with my daily makeup essentials, and that is exactly what I use this for. I don't carry it around in my handbags really ever unless I'm traveling. I just apply my makeup in the morning, and then I don't ever really reapply, maybe except for lip balm. And so I leave this on my vanity every day. It stays at home. But let me open it up and show you. All of my stuff is in there. So I'm going to take everything out, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I transfer it to the Toiletry 19. But first, let me point out, and I have pointed this out in previous videos, the zipper here. Oh goodness, so something must have shifted. This is what happens every day. When I close the zipper, I get pretty annoyed because the zipper is quite wonky when the pouch is full. And that is because of the tapered, curved shape. And I know that this shape is really what attracted me to this piece. I thought it was so pretty, and like I said, just so feminine and so delicate looking, right? Versus just a straight line rectangle. But I do want to mention that the zipper does get a little funky, and if that really bothers you, it's something to consider. So here I've got my Chanel blush. I've got my Sephora lash curler. I've got my Bare Essentials powder and my Bare Essentials brush. These are all items I've been using for years. Here's my Dior Lip Glow lip product. Here is my mascara from Holipop. This is a Korean brand that my mom introduced me to. Actually, it works really well. Here is my Nars Concealer. I actually don't use this very often. I probably use it like once a week or once every 2 weeks when I really want to brighten up under my eyes. But for the most part, I just don't bother with it because I'm not really going anywhere these days. And then here is my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, which I absolutely love and I've been using for ages. By the way, I did do a video recently talking about my 7 favorite beauty items that I buy on repeat. So if you missed that video, I will add that somewhere. I'll insert it up here somewhere. And then this one is a must-have for me. I use this product every single day. So this is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And I love this because it has the pencil on one side, but it literally is goof proof. You can fill in your brows, and then you use this really well designed brush, and you just kind of comb through your brows, and it evenly spaces out the filling. So even if you're not perfect with it, it just naturally kind of fills out the gaps, and it works out really nicely. And then here are my pair of tweezers, and that is it. So it is empty now, and those down there are not scratches, it's just the brush that I use that kind of sheds. So let's see if I can get them out. Yeah, they're just the brush hairs that are kind of floating around from that brush there. But the inside is this really nice wipeable material. So if you do happen to, spill anything, you can easily wipe it up. And then here there's a small little pouch, or a pocket, I should say. And then on the inside it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So that's what it looks like when it's empty. And then I'm going to transfer all of these items into the Toiletry 19. Again, the same concept. You've got a really nice wipeable interior, no other pockets. So I can already tell that these items are going to slide right in because the shape is just more forgiving. Yep. I don't really need to fuss about how I pack it in. And there you have it. And it very easily zips up with no wonkiness, even though there's some bulging here. I could probably move that around, but the zipper is not hard at all to close, so that's really refreshing. I actually don't use this as a cosmetic bag. I use this for travel, for my toiletries, and I also use it as a really easy grab and go, kind of like clutch, very casual clutch. When I'm running just quick errands, I will just grab this and kind of tuck it under my arm or just grab it just like so and run out and run back in. So I will show you. Obviously, you can fit more in here. You can see there's about an inch of space up here, so you can probably put a few more products. But I'm going to take this all out and show you how I typically use this Toiletry 19 as an easy grab and go clutch. You guys know I live in Manhattan, so city life, the convenience of city life involves literally just popping out to grab whatever you need, run out to the bank, it's just a couple of blocks walk, run out to grab milk, coffee, donuts, whatever. So this is really, really easy and low maintenance for something like that. So here are my keys. Plop that right in. Here is my iPhone Plus sized case, which is pretty bulky. It's got this like cushioned padding. Here we go. Still fits really nicely. Here's my card holder with my cards and some cash. And my coin purse if I needed my earbuds. If I'm going for a longer walk, let's say, maybe through the park. Here's my lip balm or lipstick. See how that looks? And then I can also plop my sunglasses on top, most likely without the case or maybe just in a soft case. But if I was going a little further and I also wanted a little perfume, I could do that. I could also bring my L'Occitane hand cream. And still there's some space to spare. But look at that, really compact, very easy, just grab and go, still lightweight, no fuss at all. And again, because both of these pieces are canvas, it is really low maintenance. And this little tiny VACHETTA strap or tab, I sprayed it already with my Apple Guard spray, which I do for all of my VACHETTA. You guys know that by now. For those of you who are interested in Apple Guard, I will link it down below, because I have gotten a lot of questions about Apple Guard and how it works, and it really does protect all of my VACHETTA from getting watermarks and stains. It has held up really well for me. So yeah, and then just quickly as a size comparison, in case you were curious, between these two, obviously the Toiletry is larger, and then I do have my mini pochette just to show you because you may be more familiar or maybe you own the mini pochette. So here is the mini pochette against the Cosmetic pouch PM size. And then here's the mini pochette against the Toiletry 19 size. So if you look at it that way in terms of size comparison, you can see that the 19 is definitely going to be roomier and just bigger overall. So if you are undecided between these two and you're looking for a cosmetic pouch or a toiletry pouch and you're not going to need a whole lot of space, I do think that you are you can choose between either of these depending on your preference. If you're looking for a little bit more space, go for the 19. If you're looking for a lot more space, then go for the Toiletry 26. That will be a lot roomier for you. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you enjoy this type of content, I would love for you to subscribe and join the fun. Thanks so much. Till next time. Bye-bye.